Welcome. If you want to change theme of your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, let's go for the themes application at the first. Next we have to be in the theme in the left corner. Then we have to click here and type, for example, 3. And we can activate one of them, so I will go for this one. Click here. And then tap to apply. Of course we can also let me show it one more time. When we are here, we can choose what we want to change exactly. So if you want to stay with the default icons, you have to unselect this one. But let's check how it looks. And as you can see, here we are with this cool looking theme. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.